Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course. This week we are concentrating upon Maheshwara Sutras. In this lesson 124, our focused attention is to remain upon the Sthapatya format. The first feature is that this format is a synthetic setup of hypercubes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, the representative regular bodies of 1 to 6 space in 4 space. 4 space itself is of a spatial order, that is 2 space plays the role of dimension for creators of space, and there are as many as 4 such dimensions, and 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 16 makes the value of the dimensional frame, and there are precisely 16 Ganita Sutras. Numbers 1 to 16 lead to factors 1 to 29. 29 is equal to 16 plus 13. There are 13 Ganita Sutras, and 29 is the TC value of Brahma, Creator, the Supreme. It is this relationship which plays its prominent role in the organization of the Vedic knowledge. Then further we know that it is 5 space which plays the role of an origin of a 4 space, so it is a transcendental origin. It is this feature which deserves to be comprehended well, as ultimately it is the flow of the transcendental content from orb of the sun through its rays, and it is this content, transcendental content, flowing from orb of the sun along soul sellable Om, and the same has inflow from the eastern cosmic window of the creator's space. The transcendental content which has inflow in the creator's space, and the same manifests and results into a transcendental seal for the creator's space. It is this seal which has an explosion visfort, and with the explosion of this at the origin seat there happens northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere organization format for our universe. Therefore, the Vedic knowledge has organization of this Sthapatya miring rod, and along this Sthapatya miring rod is a flow format for the transcendental content. It is this format for the transcendental content along this Sthapatya miring rod and flow of a 5 space content along this path is the phenomenon which is being chased, and rather it is being availed by the Vedic knowledge systems. So the Bindu Sarovar, the point reservoir, when has 7 streams flow, same takes up till the Ardhamatra, and beyond that is Tripundaram, and ultimately the Swastik Pada. It is this which makes Divya Ganga Pravaha. It is this Pravaha which ultimately vests within the Pushpika that is within creator's space at its transcendental origin, and the viscort and explosion here makes a transcendental cavity, and it is flow within the transcendental cavity of the transcendental content which is being chased. It is this chase which is designated as a chase of the mathematics of Maheshwara Sutras. Maheshwara Sutras are 14 in number, and these sutras are, when reached through the transcendental code values, as we know, it has cumulatively 283, which is parallel with the total letters 283 of 16 Vedic Ganita Sutras. Further, as we have seen, that the sum of the Anubandhas of these 14 are 19 for the first 4 for the vowels, and 47 is for the vyanjans, the consonants. 283 minus 47 is 236, which is precisely the total number of letters of Ganita Upsutras. This way, the Sthapatya format as a flow format for the transcendental content as a reach from orb of the sun into the core of the earth, and at core of earth is the ashram